I can't believe you have grown so big. 40. I really can't believe. I can still see you in Lucknow, where I saw you for the first time. A bundle of joy for us. Memories are so fresh. It just seemed like it was yesterday. Then you have really worked hard, and the result is for all of us to see. You are a vice president today. This position doesn't come so easily. You have to really work hard. I am very certain you shall go much further in your career. Our blessings are with you, and I seek the blessings of the Almighty God on you and on my daughter and so. God bless you all.
Hey Samrat, happy birthday. When Hemika asked me to make this video and told me you were turning 40, I was really surprised. I thought you'd be closer to 50 by now. You always seem to act much older than any of us. But, and she was real nice about it, so I thought I'd put together some memories I had, when we were growing up together and going to school together. So we first met in high school. The one thing I remember about you, and everybody I've talked to also remembers, that you were very passionate about everything, no matter how insignificant the thing was. And it almost seemed like the more insignificant it was, the more passionate you were. Like for instance, Bata Adidas shoes were better than Nike shoes. And that was a big deal because you had Bata Adidas shoes. I always remember that. And cricket was better than baseball because there's no technique involved in baseball. But then sometimes there was no technique involved in cricket and football was better than cricket. Samrat, I hope your dad's not watching because I want to talk about how we used to take your dad's bike out, the Yazdi out, and take it out for little spins, and we would take it out for long drives too. So sometimes you would take off the odometer cables because then the mileage wouldn't roll over, and then sometimes you would forget to do that. And when you forgot to do that, what he would do, or what we would do, because I was complicit here too, was sit and roll the front wheel backwards so the mileage would roll back. But I'll give you a call on your birthday, or we'll go over Pamu, we'll go over English Commander, and we'll go over B or R. I think that's what the initials are.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, आहा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, उहू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू जीजू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. Bye. Have an amazing day. Arif, say love you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
जाएंगे खुली है जो पर कहे ये नजर, लगता है अब है जागे हम. फिक्रें जो थी पीछे रह गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम. हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी, ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी. जो भी हो सो.
Hello.
Now, Danny, don't be naughty. 40 is naughty, so don't be naughty. All the best. God bless you. We love you. Happy birthday once again.
याद है कल आया था वो पल जिसमें जादू ऐसा
Happy birthday to you. Wait a minute. Don't go for that remote because we don't have any electricity. It's not your projector.
Why don't you have electricity, Gitika?
Because we don't have electricity.
Why?
Because the lights are out.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Is it because it's somebody's birthday?
Yeah!
Whose birthday is it today, honey?
Danny Chada.
You mean some rat, that chadda, that sandu, that gandu, that motherfucker?
Happy birthday.
Yo, nigga, it's your birthday party.
Ooh la 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 la. Woohoo! King of good times.
Happy birthday, Danny Masu! You're 40 years old. That's old. Anyways, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Danny. Danny Masu. Oh my goodness. This could be Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy Masu. Whoop, I'm Gangnam Style.
हम हो गए
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danny. Happy birthday to you. Danny, the God bless. Danny, the grandfather. May the good Lord bless you. May you be a and you were born in a zoo. No, not born in a zoo. You're born in the proud mother. How can you say the zoo born? Daddy, the proud mother is here. Yeah. Teacher. Daddy, I love you. Daddy, I love you.
Hi, Danny. How are you?
Danny, I love you and God bless you. ভগবান তোমার হচ্ছে
মাইমা
এই হচ্ছে ঠিক আছে
I love you.
আচ্ছা
Hi
Lila.
Danny, today is your birthday. Not today, it's always next Happy birthday and very happy birthday to you. Our 40th, not 40th birthday. This is 40th birthday and we are all proud of you. And we love you and we wish you all the best of your future. Bye. Oh boy, Danny, 40th birthday, big man. You rock and you rock. This is Kolkata wishing you a very happy birthday. Bhalo thakbi, sabshomoy with your family. Hip hip hooray! 3 cheers for Danny. Hip hip hooray!
Hello Danny, this is Manju auntie wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you and keep you happy.
Babu, Mamu.
Danny, the Vice President of Kingfisher Beer Division. I'm having a bottle of Kingfisher beer. Danny, may you live to be a grand old grandfather.
Hi, Danny. All the best.
Yeah, Danny, I think I've seen you when you were 8 years old. Today you become 40. So all the best to you. Best wishes.
You're 5 times older.
Yeah, definitely 5 times older.
I would love to take off your pants on your birthday.
Hi Danny. We are going to miss the big party or the birthday bash. Each one of us wish we were all there to hug you and wish you a happy birthday. And Hemika, a great job you're doing, taking video of all the close family members all across India and elsewhere. You're doing a great job. And little one, Zoe, you enjoy your dad's birthday, and so we will have fun over here while you enjoy your birthday. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi Danny, how are you? Many many happy returns of the day. So okay, bye bye.
Dilli Lali Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, wish you happy birthday.
Hi Danida, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. I know 40 sounds like a big and scary number, but they also say life begins at 40. And with that fantastic spirit of yours, you are and will always be young at heart. I still remember very distinctly all those many years ago, when I was little and you were working in Kolkata, how I used to wait desperately for the evenings to arrive, because you would get back home from work and then regale me with these lovely stories of your college years. And I used to just be sitting there looking up at you attentively with eager eyes and ears while you told me story after story. You were my hero back then. Many things have changed over the past few years, including the you being my hero bit. But no, jokes aside, we've got married, we have our own families. We may not meet or talk to each other often, but I do hope that someday we should just be able to sit down and catch up on all this time that's passed us by. Till then, party hard, keep the spirit up. You're one of the nicest people I know. Love you. Mwah. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Samrat. You really are the king of good times. Have an awesome day in year ahead.
Hi, Samrat. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. 40th birthday.
40th birthday.
40th birthday, so it has to be very special. Couple of shots on me.
Happy birthday, Samrat. All the best wishes for today. Have a fabulous day. Enjoy your parties and even a better year ahead. All the best wishes to you.
Hi Danny, happy birthday. Have a great time. All the best.
아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일
Happy birthday, Samrat. I'm sure you guys are having a blast. I'm sorry I couldn't be there. Here's to many, many, many more happy birthdays.
Hi, Samrat. Happy birthday. We're coming to Bangla to see my doggy. Bye.
보이지만 볼 때 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가볍지만 웬만한 노출보다 약
Chada. This was supposed to be drunk and vulgar message, but I will make it drunk and simple. I know you for almost half your life. I said almost. So, I'm thinking I should know you for the rest of your half of the rest of your life also. You want that other half of the rest of the life to be now or on the other side of the half of the rest of the life? कुछ समझा कि नहीं? Little complicated.
What's up, you?
Mr. TFT President, सादर प्रणाम, हैप्पी बर्थडे, बाकी सब मुलाकात पे बोला जाएगा. Love you, man.
आंखों में है बिजलियां
everybody. My name is Deepak Nath. I have the pleasure of knowing Samrat for the last 16 years. One thing we must agree about Samrat is that he's very consistent. Consistent about arguing. And Samrat can argue on anything and everything, even when it's not required. At some point in time, he was called VP Arguments, which I think was a huge understatement. Samrat definitely is one of the finest when it comes to the art of arguing, and he leaves behind even some national icons in this field. If you don't believe me, have a look at this.
Oh God.
Part of India.
It's rupees 49,175 rupees.
Samrat, wish you a happy 40th birthday. Be healthy, be good, and let the arguments continue. Himika, I'm sorry, but my sympathies are with you.
हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
Hey Danny boy, we thought of a few ways to send you a message. The first thing we thought was we should tell some stories about you. Ooh, too many naughties to be told in the public, so we decided against it. Maybe we thought we would say some cute things about you. Oh, not your style. Then we thought maybe we should crack a joke about you turning 40. Ooh, turning 40 doesn't sound good.
But then we just decided to get wasted. Happy birthday, have a blast and miss us. I wish we were there. Bye.
Danny, happy 40th birthday. Wish you all the best, always, in whatever you do. Create a success. More so for us to enjoy, because then it's like a corporate job. You get the headaches and we get the perks. Anyways, I'm done with the good stuff. Chada Saab, welcome to the club. You're gonna get a lot of this. You're turning 40. What's the big fucking deal, dude? It's not like my dick is falling off. Anyways, happy 40th once again. Let's rock not just the birthday, but also the weekend. Cheers, babe.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
So, all set to get naughty at 40. Anyways, I hope you have a great day and keep rocking. Keep be the king of good times always. Sure. Cheers. Bye.
Once more. Hi Sam, I just had 20 rounds of the Carter Road. I'm just following you. Happy birthday.
Hey Sam, happy birthday. Now I'm not going to pull your leg because enough and more have done it already. Have a great birthday. I'm missing it all. I know. Love you.
लोगों को आते हैं तो नजर.
When I walk on by, girls be looking like damn you fly.
I pick to the beat, walking down the street and my new freak, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Say take two, no? Were you saying that?
Hello.
Before 40, after 40. Happy birthday!